Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The problem revolves around traversing a graph to find specific paths, with the hitch being a cycle that needs to be broken. So, let's dive into it. When it comes to the solution, we have a pretty nifty approach to break that cycle. The key lies in using the simplePath filter to navigate through the graphs. By employing a repeat loop with the TalksTo.outv.simplePath pattern, we can effectively traverse the graph and break the cycle between the two specific vertices. Continuing with the solution, we enhance our traversal by using in TalksTo.simplePath to directly hop to the vertex we need. This helps streamline the pathfinding process and gives us the exact routes we're looking for, without getting tangled up in unnecessary edges. In summary, by leveraging the power of simplePath and smart traversal strategies, we can elegantly navigate the graph, break free from cycles, and find the desired paths. So, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy graph traversing!